So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are staying good and stay positive. So today topic we are going to see about for the no contact situation. Okay. So for the fire element like Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, if at all your zodiac sign is an Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, you can watch this video. Okay. So before starting the reading, we can check in the runes like. How your relationship will be go, like what kind of an what kind of a messages we are getting from the runes. Let's see about your relationship. Okay. Okay, there is some kind of an improvement will be there. Okay, some kind of a blockages will definitely get removed, and I can see that with the Hagalas, I can see there is some kind of an some kind of an blockages will be get removed in your relationship, and again with the Savlo, I can see that there is some kind of an positive changes will become in your relationship. Okay, yeah, there is some kind of a delay is there when it comes to your relationship because there may be some kind of a losses or some kind of an on and off situation maybe happen in your relationship. But I can see that there is some kind of an improvement is also coming on your way. You guys will be gain your power, and your person will also be gain the power, and there is some kind of a beautiful changes will also be coming your way. Okay. Yes. So let's see in the tarot like what message we are getting. So guys, if you are looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. I hope it could be so guys, I hope you guys may like my video. I hope so. And if my videos have been resonant with you, please do like, share, and comment. Let me know in the comment section. And guys, please give your support. Please give your support because your each and every subscription will definitely motivates me a lot, and it will definitely helps to grow the channel as well. Okay, so let's start the reading now for the fire element, like Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius for the no contact situation, like what is happening in your relationship and what will be happening in the future. Oh my God, I'm just getting a lot of cards. I don't want to take all these cards, guys, because a lot of cards are there. Okay, bottom of the deck, we get the Ten of Chalices. Okay, that is a beautiful card, by the way. So let's see. The first card is Five of Swords. Okay, the next card is the Wheel, the Major Arcana card, the Wheel, and the next card we get a Queen of Wands. Okay, so you may be dealing with your divine counterpart. Yeah, you may be deal with your divine counterpart. You maybe deal with your perfect match, like a twin flame or a soulmate kind of a person. And the last card, as a bottom of the deck, we get a Ten of Chalices. So overall, I can see there is some kind of a good improvement when it comes to relationship. Yeah. So I think in the past, if at all you guys have any kind of a little bit kind of a breakages or whatever it could be, I think in the past also situation have been gone in the right way. And again, I can see there is some kind of an improvement is there, because the negativity is be like releasing when it comes to your relationship. Okay, the negativity is was releasing. I don't think so that it will be get bother anymore. Already I can see there is some kind of a situation is be like healing here right now. The situation is be like healing here, and at the same time in the future also I can see that situation will be get improved. Overall the situation will get improved. Okay, And with the wheel again, I can see a positive new beginning, a positive new change is there. And if at all, you may be think that your person may have some kind of an other options, or they are opening into the other option. No, they are not opening, they are just closing the door. If at all they have any other options in their life, they are closing the door and they just want to give the priority towards you. Okay, so in the past you maybe think that your person is not be like faithful towards this relationship, your partner is not be like genuine or something like that. But all I can see there is that is like both the side there is a spark here. Okay, so both the side there is a spark, both the side you guys are putting some kind of an effort. It's be like a mutual effort. I can see that both the side there is a strong attraction, chemistry is there. So again, yeah, your person is admiring your beauty and you admiring your person beauty. And so whatever the thing has been happened on the past, you maybe think that your partner or your partner is opening to the other options, they are not giving you some kind of a priority, they are not spending some kind of a time with you. It's not like that. Okay, so your person is closing off all the opportunities and they are focusing on you. And the time has been like changing here. If at all you're not believing it, I hope the time will give you the answer. The time will give you the answer, even though you are trust the process or not. But anyway, the time will give you the answer, so you guys will definitely understand this, that your person is changing now. Or I can see some kind of a good growth when it comes to relationship. Okay, your person is focusing on their physical appearance and you also focusing on your physical appearance, and both are be like very much attracted towards each other. Your person wants to spend some kind of a time with you. In the past, if at all they are failed to spend some kind of time and they are focused on other side, or it's be like any kind of a money, or they may be show any kind of an interest to their other persons like their ex or their past person or whoever it could be. I can see that there is some kind of a new beginning will be happening in your relationship, some kind of a stability and growth. Already there is some kind of a reconciliation has been happened. I hope so. Already some kind of a new growth or new beginning maybe happened in your relationship. I think so. Okay. So again, there is the new renewal is there. The new renewal is there. Okay. So things will be get settled down in a right way, and relationship will also be get improved. So let's see about your person. Channel or messages for the fire element like Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Because I can see some kind of a reconciliation messages here. Reconciliation kind of a cards. Oh my god. There's a lot of messages from this person. I don't know. This person wants to talk with you a lot. Too much. A lot. So I want to hold you. Yes, this person wants to hold this connection. This person wants to put some kind of an effort for this connection. I hope I haven't lost you. Yes. So even though they have been choose some other person over you on the past, but right now this person is focusing on you and they will try to like reconnect with you. Okay, and they are putting you as a priority. I know I'm the one to the blame. Yeah, they had done the mistake. They had done the mistake. They know that. But they did not they did not committed their mistake on the past, but right now they are committing with their mistake. I need your time and commitment. Yes, this person need your time and commitment. On the past, this person have not spent any kind of a time, but right now they want to spend some kind of a time with you. That's what you also need from your person. I could never forget about you. Yes, because you are being like very much special towards this person. They can't able to replace you. Even though this person is talking with many person, but still they can't able to replace you. I'm afraid of commitment. This could be their past fears. I think so, that they are being afraid with their commitment. That's the reason they have been walk away. They are be like open up with other options. I'm scared of losing you. This has been their like current energy, like that. Okay, this could be their current energy. They are being they are feeling very much scared. They don't want to lose you. They want to be in your life. And the next message I get, I feel like you have moved on from me. So this person is saying that you haven't moved on from them because you're not communicating with them properly. You just shut off. You maybe cut off this person from your life because you're trying to be focused on your career pathway, or you maybe try to focus on your physical appearance. Because I can see that you guys may try to focus on your physical appearance to be look good, to be look more good. Like the way I don't want to hide this love. Yes, again there is a strong commitment. I can see there is a strong like emotions is flowing on in your person's side. Again, this person like in on the past they may be afraid about the commitment. Right now they don't want to be afraid about this commitment. They want to step up. They want to figure out. They want to like create this reunion with you. Okay, I don't want to hide this love. So this person will do definitely. There is some kind of a strong reconciliation I can see, and at the same time for some kind of a people I can see that already there may be maybe some kind of a reconciliation have been happened with your person. Okay, for some set I can feel that already the reconciliation have been happened, I think so. If not that condition, I hope the reconciliation will be possible, it will be happen. At the same time, there is some kind of a strong emotional bond will be there, and as well as a physical bond also be there with your person. Okay, so these are the messages I can see from your person's side. So guys, I hope it could be resonate with you. I hope it could give you some kind of a clarity. If it does resonate, if we give some kind of a clarity, so please do like, share and subscribe. Please do comment. Okay, so guys, if at all you're looking my channel for the very first time, please do support, please give your support, please do subscribe, please do subscribe. And if at all your friends and family members may love the tarot reading, please do recommend my channel to them. And as well as if at all you guys need any kind of a personal reading, you can definitely reach out either on my WhatsApp or also on my Instagram. Both the details have been given in the pinned comment, you can check with that. So guys, again I just want to repeat the same thing. Please give your support, please give your support, because your each and every support will definitely motivates me a lot, and it definitely helps to grow this channel as well. So stay tuned for the more upcoming readings. I hope it will be give you like a better clarity, and it will give you a better guidance as well. So see you guys in the next reading. Until that, love you all, take care, bye bye, Fair Element, bye bye.